So now in order to design our HTML page, what we want to do is that we want to import Bootstrap because Bootstrap is going to make our page look amazing quickly without the need of spending a lot of time working on the design. So I'm going to head on over to Bootstrap. You need to head on over to getbootstrap.com and then just click on Get Started. And then in order to import Bootstrap into your application, all you need to do is that you need to copy this CSS, click here on copy, and then in your project, just paste this above the closing tag of the head. Just paste this line of code. And then the second step is that you need to import this line, this bundle. You need to import the JavaScript of Bootstrap. So this line, you need to click here on copy, and then in your application, just paste this above the closing tag of the body. So here, you need to paste that here. Paste it here, and now we are good to go. So make sure that you have pasted two links, the CSS and the JavaScript. Now, in order to test whether Bootstrap has been included successfully or not, we can apply one of the classes that are given by Bootstrap. For example, here, I'm going to apply a class to this h1. I'm going to say here class, and then it's going to be equal to text-center, which is a Bootstrap class that centers the text. Let me save and head on over to the browser. And now in the browser, if I refresh, it should center this. As you can see now, this is centered, meaning that Bootstrap now is included successfully, and we can start using Bootstrap in our web application.